The right to education is a answer C. Fundamental right. When two or more persons agree to do an illegal act or do an act illegal means it amounts to answer A. Criminal conspiracy. Who appoint the judge of High Court? Answer C. President. Delivery of goods as security to get the loan from other is called answer C. Pledge. An ordinance can be promulgated by the President of India. Answer B. When the Parliament is not in session. Protecting the sovereignty and integrity of the country is inserted in the Constitution of India as a answer C. Fundamental duty. Judicial organ of the United Nations organization is answer B. International Court of Justice. Right petitions can be filled in answer C. Supreme Court or High Court. Who appoint the Advocate General? Answer B. Governor of a state. Actus non facit reum nisi means sit rea is the fundamental principle of answer A. Criminal liability. What is testament? Answer D. Will. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes answer A. Untouchability. Which of the following is in the normative case? Answer A. Kabir the great reformer was a weaver. Select the word that most closely expresses the same meaning as the word onus. Answer A. Burden. An admission of guilt in exchange for a specific sentence is answer A. A plea bargain. The most correct sentence is answer B. Sun rises in the east. How long did it take to write the Constitution? Answer A. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of answer A. Vitamin A. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States of America? Answer D. France. Which one of the following began with the Dandi March? Answer C. Civil disobedience movement.